A traditional turkey dinner for 8 people cost about $33.81 in a recent year. How much would it cost to serve a turkey dinner for 14 people? We will solve this problem using our 5-step problem-solving process and proportions. First of all, to familiarize ourselves with the situation, we're looking for the cost of a turkey dinner for 14 people. So let's let C equal that cost. The cost of the dinner for 14 people. We'll translate this to a proportion. Now the key to translating to a proportion is to get the same unit in the numerator and denominator for each ratio. We will put people in the numerator, cost in the denominator, and in the other ratio we will put people in the numerator and cost in the denominator. Now the numbers were given in the problem for 8 people. It cost $33.81. So for 14 people, it should cost C dollars, because C was our variable that's going to stand for how much it should cost. Step 3 is to solve the proportion, and to solve we will equate cross products. We have 8 times C equals 33.81 times 14. Dividing both sides by 8, we have C equals 33.81 times 14 divided by 8. If we carry out that calculation and round to the nearest hundredth, the nearest penny, we have 59.17. That's a possible solution, so step 4 is to check. To check, we can actually put that number back in the proportion and check cross products. We have 8 over 33.81, and we're going to see, does that equal 14 over 59.17? Well, first this cross product, 8 times 59.17 equals 473.36, and this cross product would be 33.81 times 14, and that equals 473.34. Now those are not exactly alike, but remember we rounded to get $59.17, so they're close enough that we can say that with a good assurance that our answer was correct. So we state our answer. It would cost about $59.17 to serve a turkey dinner for 14 people.